Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to cook traditional Filipino dish Dinuguan. This is pork intestines boiled in the pork blood. So first of all, if you have thin intestines from the pig, you need to boil them for about 5 minutes in a little bit of water. Don't add any salt, anything. Just boil them to make them a bit softer and clean outside. So stir them every so often and cook until they start to be soft. Usually 5 minutes is enough, and they should lose all the red bits around, and it is enough. Don't overcook them. So when they boiled, put them in the cold water and wash them quite well, and then remove all the glands and other lymph nodes and everything from between them, from this internal tissue between these intestines. The good thing is these intestines already cleaned by the butcher, and you don't need to clean them because it's quite messy and difficult process. So just remove all these glands from connective tissue between them. So when you remove them, you can finally chop them with a knife. So about ½ centimeter length. So do it with all the intestines. And also you need to prepare about 1/3 of amount of cooked pork fat. Usually pork fat from the boiled pork is enough. When you've prepared everything, you need to prepare some veggies. Chop 1 medium onion very thinly, and also prepare garlic. 5 or 6 cloves or half bulb will be enough. Just roughly chop it and mix with onion. Also you need to have the same amount of ginger. Just cut it very finely, the same size as you do with garlic. And ginger you should take approximately the same amount as onion. And then 5 or 6 medium hot chili, like finger chili. It's quite common to use green chilies for this. Just slice them into average size bits. And now you need to deal with the blood. So it is approximately 1.5 liter of the blood, and add about 4 or 5 teaspoons of 4% vinegar. So this vinegar, and it's make the blood a little bit more liquid. And then add lemongrass. Ideally, blood should be mixed with vinegar at the beginning when it's drained from the pig, but now it's alright as well. And now you need to break all the pieces of the blood because it's already clotted. So do it with hand. It should be very cold because it's from the fridge. So when you break all the pieces, you can sieve it through any mesh. Okay, now let's cook. So start from onion and garlic. Fry on the bit of oil on the very high heat, and when it's start to be soft, add ginger. Cook about 1 more minute or 2 minutes, and then add our intestines. Only intestines. Keep fat for the future. So it looks like everything is ready. So now let's put intestines and start to stir immediately, because they can stick to the pan and start to burn. So just don't allow to do this. So put all the intestines and stir them. Now it's time to add soy sauce. About 1/4 pint soy sauce will do, or half cup, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of 4% vinegar, and stir them so again very often, because the fire should be very high and they can stick. Later on they will start to produce its own juice, and it will be much easier to cook them. Okay, now it's time for spices. ½ teaspoon of black pepper and about 1 teaspoon of chicken or soup spice, which is MSG, and some herbs. So black pepper and MSG. Basically, this is traditional Filipino spices for every cooking, and every time when you add anything, just mix it again. mix it and mix it. It's a wok, you should mix it very often. Now it's time to add pork fat and stir it in. And when you stir it in, you need to add water. I think it's half pint of water will be enough, or 1 cup of water. And when you bring it to boil, add our filtered blood and cook until it's turned brown. You see, it's turned brown in about 5 minutes. And also it should be done on very powerful fire, just to make sure that it's boiling quite quick. Now it's time to add our chili. And when you add chili and stir it in, it's ready. So you can try it to add a little bit of salt or some pepper if you need it. And then serve on the plate with a little bit of rice and enjoy it. So, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you. Bye.